Finelo review. Is this AI trading app worth it? So what is Finelo? Finelo is an AI-powered educational app and platform designed to teach investing and trading basics with tools like AI Chart Analyzer, which uploads charts to get patterns and insights. It also has interactive learning, which includes courses across investing, trading, crypto, and passive income, plus quizzes, leaderboards, simulations, and gamified modules. So it's explicitly a learning tool and not a real trading or investment platform. So what's good about it is it's beginner friendly and engaging. It offers simple language gamified simulations and structured lessons, making it complex finance approachable. It also has a convenient learning tool where there's a mobile and web access. And there's also progress syncing. Although where it falls short is the shallow content for advanced learners. So while it's great for beginners, users note that it doesn't dive deep into advanced investments and strategies. It also has some subscription issues and hidden fees. So, is it worth it? Well, it's worth it if you are completely new to investing or trading, and if you value structured, gamified learning and practice tools. But overall, Finelo can be a solid intro tool, but only if you're aware of its limits and billing practices.